Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on Motorola Edge 7 Diffusion. So first of all, in order to go to the recovery mode, first we need to restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And then once you see the power menu, you want to tap on restart. And once you start restarting, once the restarting text disappears, press and hold the volume down button and just keep holding it until you open the fast boot mode. So it shouldn't take too long, just in a couple of seconds we should be able to see it. There we go. Now once you are here, you can use volume up and volume down buttons in order to navigate in this menu, and you want to use either of these buttons until you see the recovery mode option. Once you see it, press the power button in order to confirm. And then your phone is going to reboot, but soon we should see the no command text on the screen. There we go. And there is like a Android logo. Now in here we need to simply press and hold the power button, and then while holding the power button you want to press volume up. So it looks like this. We're gonna press and hold power and then press volume up, and there we go. Now we can release both buttons. So now in here we have the Android recovery mode. Here we navigate once again by using volume buttons, and of course if you want to select something in here you can just choose the power button. Now if you want to exit the recovery mode, you just want to simply choose the reboot system now option. So we can just simply press it over here, and then your phone is going to reboot and go back to the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.